Tonight in your Health Watch, state and local health officials are warning people after second case of the measles was detected in Washtenaw County. CBS News Detroit's Terrell Bailey is on your block in Ann Arbor with more on where officials say they could have been exposed.
The measles just keep popping up all across America. So far, 17 states have reported at least one case. Locally, Washtenaw County reported its first case at the beginning of the month. Now, weeks later, they've reported a second case.
And the cases that we see primarily come in through air travel because we see more measles activity in other countries. At any given point, it can be a plane ride away.
International travel, Washtenaw County health leaders say, is the cause for the first case reported. While the second case may have not been in the same home as the first one, I'm told both individuals were in similar spaces.
We believe that it's likely they shared some airspace. In other words, it wasn't a close contact like a household or something.
Measles can live for up to 2 hours in the air. Now the health department says if you have been at any of these 7 locations recently, you could be at risk. For those who live in the area, it's cause for caution.
I think with the things we've seen going around in the last number of years in COVID, it's always smart to be safer. But as far as the protections for measles, aside from having the vaccine, I'm not really clear on it because I thought it was gone at one point.
Health officials push the measles vaccine as the best way to protect yourself. The county has even detailed the times of potential exposure, with a dorm on U of M's campus also on the list. Students on campus tell us those who live in the dorm did get a notification from the university, but with heavy foot traffic, it is concerning.
Because I go into Ellis like a bunch. I've probably been in there like at least 10 times over the past week. So like that scares me for sure. But like, I mean, I'm vaccinated and I don't feel sick. So like, I think I'm chilling, you know?
According to the county, the second case is not a part of the university. For those who are at risk, the county says monitor your symptoms and schedule a visit with your doctor.
Those initial symptoms are pretty general, like fever, sore throat, cough.
According to the county, the best thing you can do is get vaccinated. Now, if you have been in any of those spaces that face possible exposure, you're asked to continue monitoring your symptoms for up to 21 days from that exposure date. So far across America, there's been 60 cases of measles reported this year. In Ann Arbor tonight, Terrell Bailey, CBS News, Detroit.